Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen. Today in Selvin Kitchen we have an awesome delicious recipe we're gonna show you guys. So today I ain't gonna do no chicken. I'm gonna do a turkey wings deep fries, guys. I have 1 kilo of turkey wings here. I already cut it in 3 pieces because I know that turkey wings is huge. So I already cleaned them already take off the small feathers them off of them and cut them in 3 pieces. Wash them with some vinegar. So right now what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna dry them off because you don't want to fry your chicken and then you put them in the oil and then water oil splash up on you. So just get a paper towel, a white paper towel, just dry them off, dry up all of that excess water off of them. That's what I'm doing, people. And then I'm just gonna stick some hole right through them, because when I'm frying stuff I like to bore hole right through that it's seasoned and the oil can penetrate the bones and fry right between your meat. So that's what I'm doing now, just dry up all of the excess water. And thank you guys to watching my videos then, and please give me a thumbs up, please share the videos, because when you guys give me a thumbs up it helps out a lot. Other people can see my videos then, and share the video with your friends, people. Share it with your brother at home, share it with your sister, share it with your wife, share it with your husband, share it with your dad, share it with your mom, share it with everybody. At Selvin Kitchen we have a lot more awesome delicious recipe coming out, so you know that when you guys come on to Selvin Kitchen, we have tips. I will try to do something new. So you see, all of this excess water we don't want it in it when we're gonna season up our meat. So we'll just get everything off of it. So anybody have turkey wings before, drop me a comment, let me know. Anybody have deep fried turkey wings before, still drop me a comment, let me know. Will you guys like it? So it's a beautiful recipe today in Selvin Kitchen, guys. Dry out that. Get that out of the way. So this is all of my turkey wings, people, right there. Beautiful recipe. So now I just gonna, my powder season, I'm gonna just use my finger, just mix it around like that. So I have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season, 1.5 teaspoon of chicken season, I have 1 teaspoon of paprika. I don't use the smoked paprika today, I use the normal paprika. Just use my finger, just mix it around, and mix around all of that season to combine together. Leave that there. Then I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder. That's what I'm gonna use. Yes, my beautiful people, we're gonna add some vegetable oil to these turkey wings. I'm gonna mix in that vegetable oil properly. I'm gonna add in my all-purpose season, my chicken season, mix it up step by step. Add in some more, then I'm gonna mix it up again with my hand, add in my baking powder. I'm gonna use no egg today or no flour. It's a different way to fry. If you're frying chicken, if you're frying drumstick or chicken wings. But today in Selvin Kitchen, guys, we're doing a beautiful, crispy turkey wings. So hi guys, so now I just put on the oil. I have 3 cups of oil right here. I just put on the oil. I'm gonna let it hot for 5 minutes, because you need to let your oil hot first before you put in your meat to fry, because it ain't gonna fry properly. So let your oil very hot. Then after I'm gonna add the turkey wings in it, let it deep fry. Yes guys, so my turkey wings have been fried for the last 5 minutes. So now I'm just gonna turn them over. Oh yes. Kind of people. Gonna turn them over. Nice and crispy and brown, people. When I use that paprika and that baking powder, give it a nice crispy color, so you don't have to use egg, you don't have to use flour. So I'm gonna give that another 5 minutes there, people, and then after I'm just gonna check it again, turn them right over. Look at that, a brown crispy color right there. Hi guys, this is all finished now. We've been frying for the last 12 minutes. So now I'm just gonna add a piece of paper towel in this, because when they drain off, I want to get all of that excess oil off of them. So I had a piece of paper towel in this bowl here like that. So I'm just gonna take them out. Beautiful, crispy, deep fry turkey wings, people, in Selvin kitchen. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. So you want to drain off all of that excess oil. So you guys can check out this recipe. Guys, give me a thumbs up for the video. Oh yes, people, look at that. Nice and crispy. You need a cold Guinness with this one now. Look at that. Oh yes, people. Oh yes. Wow. Beautiful, people. Beautiful. Nice and brown and crispy. Thanks for watching, guys, and please check out the rest of the videos them on the channel, and please like the video before you go. And if you're watching and you don't subscribe, please subscribe before you go, guys. Anybody want to be a patron, I gotta drop the link so you can check out to be a patron. And stay safe. I will see you guys in the next video. Selvin Kitchen, love.